Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan Mushtaba. 15 15 March 2024, Friday it is. Closing of today, the stock market will be closed and weekend is ahead. So I thought why not give us quick snap and next week plan. So starting with Bitcoin, I will mark important level first, then we'll discuss technical things here. This is previous all-time high. It's important level, that's why I'm marking it. And we have new all-time high here. So one tap, two tap, three tap might be in future, but these are the two important levels on higher time frames which should be marked for scalping or whatever we want to do it. So 16 days remaining in monthly closure, we will see whether price closes above or below. So that will be when monthly closure came up. So then we will see what happens and what's going to be the plan. Let's get back to lower time frames and slowly check out. Okay, it's a 3D and weekly. If you see that, I have previously this range I was looking at. This is previous range highs here and range low deviations, reclaim, retested, banks. So very important zone came up right now. Now we have two levels, previous range high. I didn't mark it like uh, super clean, but yes, it is what it is. I marked it. So I will give you a quick snap. I will remove or keeping like this here. This is all-time high, acting as a resistance, goes up and then reclaimed. Now it is doing fuckery here. So lowering time frame here, there is not a clear range creation on lower time frame right now, because if I marked this range here, this only one range here. So there are too many levels combining here. So I can't say which level should play out here. So on 6 hour or H4, if you see that the levels which I am right now watching and why I am watching those level, I will first explain it. This one, this high broker, higher high, higher low, then new high created. So this is higher low zone. It means this is our MSB point here. So higher high creation, now it is higher low is in creation. So SFP, playing SFP here, it not worth it, because I will mark this zone as my MSB point. So now structure wise, if price closes below here, like H4, H5 daily closes below here, then we have a market structure shift here in a trend. And another thing will be that we will reclaim this range, higher time frame range, and then we are going down towards these areas. Until unless we are above this MSB point, we are good to go towards higher and higher. This will be the first target. So my plan is bulls should defend this level like they defended here. That was a previous MSB point here. What they did, price came down and went up quickly. So they took stop losses and they went up quickly again, rallied like it kind of inducement or fake out here. So I'm expecting one more push toward downside, like something like this, and then go up. So closely, if you see here, we have some kind of small SR level here, which is acting like resistance here. So I will come back to this point later. Let me show you something, what I'm looking and what's my plan here. The two levels here. Okay, I will come back to this chart again. Give me a new fresh chart. I need it because if I draw everything here, that will be a bit confusing. So I will change my screen here a bit. Okay. So if I consider this as a range here, the range play out is going out right now. So these areas are my interested zones, like range low swept. We created range high, now come back here and then go to sweep range high. So basically what I'm looking at here is this wick, and I will mark the OTE zone. I already shared this on Twitter as well, this whole zone. Structure wise, let me come, I mark this zone here. Structure wise, price is making higher highs. This is your BOS. Again, we have BOS. BOS means we are going to make another high. So where is my, this is higher high, higher low. Here it is. So this is my higher low and MSB point. I will mark this as MSB point. So this higher low broke out, breakdown here. It means we are shifting our structure for now and we are going down until unless we are above here, we are bullish. Right now, BOS played out higher high, higher low, higher high. Now higher low is in procedure. Might be this is our higher low here because mid range is holding here. Might not, this is not, this might not be our higher low and it came back towards down to one more like something like this and then make a bullish structure here and then continue up towards higher side, higher high, new higher high. But basically this point, let me move this. Basically this MSB point is our point to hold here. A bull should defend this level. So there is liquidations creating here. If you see this liquidities, so there are too many liquidities building up right now. This one here. So we swept a bit, but if you see on H4 here, sorry for this shitty internet. Sometime it worked fast, sometime it didn't, so I don't know what to do with it. I have changed too many times, but now I am fed up with it. Waiting. Oh, okay, came back. So we have MSB here. Before BUS created, we created our order block here, for order block here. So this is a good confluence that first price is holding up here. It's good, it's valid, and we might see a bullish structure here, somewhere here, and then go up and then down. Why down? I'm saying because we have internally we have created some supplies here. We already created. If you saw the internal structure is shifted towards downside. We tested here. There might possibility that we test again and then come down towards lower side. So basically, what I'm aiming here is this one, this order block to tap here, come here, and stabilizes here, then go back up. Then this internal structure will be invalid because the higher time frame, the higher perspective, and the trend will continue. Its and trend will go. accordingly, whatever what it was doing, it will start doing again. So a small bleeding and choppy week is going on, so stay cautious here. In this zone, the better will be here. Bidding here, you might place some bids here. Stop will be same. Stop will be this one below here, or you can place here. But that will be your, like, you cannot use hard stop loss here. That will be soft stop loss here. It might wick out down towards these levels, and then they wick out everybody out here like they did here, and then go up. So if someone wants to place bids, one bid here, maybe one lower bid here, or you can place bids according to OTE here. That's a normal structure actually, but it takes times. Like one bid here, second bid at lowest point, or you might uh, place a bid at mid here at equilibrium. So stop should be below here or might be below here somewhere. So that would be your soft stop loss you should use here, and you can target range highs from here, because the liquidity which is generating up here, that will be taken out first, and then they will try to go up again once more time. So this is what I'm aiming on Bitcoin here. I have already many coins on list. I placed bids, but I removed because Bitcoin is slowly bleeding and alts are bleeding like hell. So now this is a shittiest structure here, but no worries, we will check it out. This is USDT dominance. I will explain why Bitcoin dropped and why it is dropping. So this is a trend line, steep trend line, and there are more possibilities when steep trend line tested. It act as a support and highly like it act good as a support. Steep trend lines. I will mark it a bit. uh, Okay, it is already a perfect trend line I marked. And one more thing, weekly order block is here. So it took support here, Bitcoin dropped. So hopefully one, two, three, four, five, six straight red candles. So there might be a chance that we pull back a bit here to test these levels towards 4.9% here. So if that happened here, then it means we are playing that Bitcoin higher time frame range, and that will confirm our deviation. If I checked, I didn't check on lower time frame. Let me now check it and make a plan on it. If this thing combined with my Bitcoin thesis, then what what kind of shitty PA is main decision making? What should I check here? I don't see any good thing here. BUS already happened here. Yes. Like if I remove weekly here and I mark this as MSB point, lower high, high, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it turn as making first higher high. So our nearest liquidities are these one. I will count as internal liquidity. So if USDT dominance try to go up and test these levels, then Bitcoin will go down more, 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 more. It will go down a bit deep, but that's not easy right now to go like this. But it's crypto, you never know when this shit happened. But right now, lower time frame PA, if you see that, I didn't see anything like good. If I mark this order block, I don't seems like it will work, but let's see. If it holds here and it started to move up, the first target is this one, this internal liquidity. So first target will be this internal liquidity. It means our lower bids which we are looking at. So something like this come here and go up and then come down towards to sweep this and they test this whole demand chunk of demand which is creating here. So yes, plan is good. If I see a short plan on Bitcoin according to this structure, then this was a bearish 3 hour high here and structure shifted here. So we created a fresh supply here. So now the plan is pretty simple here. Now it's clear. If price came up here, I will not recommend shorts, but that's a worthy short here because market is trending market. If there is opportunity, if someone wanna risk, yes, you can. But avoiding, I will personally avoid. So I focus on longs. The OTE zone also matching here, order block created in it. If I see, okay, it's up here. So there might chances that price came here in this zone. I will watch if some kind of what we say uh, weakness I observed in this zone, then I will short it. But let me check now original chart here. With original chart, if it matched, then that will be good. Okay, so this is supply here, and here is our order block, bullish order block. So yes, short will be something like this. But the problem with that short is like we can target this zone, good RR. The problem with this short is this SR level here. The SR level which I show you before is this one. So if price reclaimed here, retested and it started consolidating here, it will, I think, then broke this supply. Yes, it will reject here first and then it kind of consolidates here. So reject here, retest these level, consolidation, and then it will finally blow up. So that's why I'm personally avoiding this short. Yes, one more short, which will be a good short here. Something like this. If price quickly came up here, rejected, and then again came back here, it means that this supply is well. Then on retest of here, it will give a retest. It will give you a retest here. So that retest uh, will be a short trigger. Target will be here, and this will be your stop loss in case of this scenario. So this will be a good play here. Like if you short from this zone here, like go up, quickly reject, and then on a retest here, because this is previous all-time high, important level. If you see this, it already did a very much things here. Then that will be like if suppose we got, I still remember 69 200 is our previous all-time high. So 69 200 is previous all-time high. So this and whatever high created, suppose it created high here, then this will be the target. a risky one, but yes, it is what it is because liquidations are creating here. We have to test these levels, and this is a previous range, higher time frame range high it is as well, so it didn't retest it. There might be a chances that we came up here and then go pick here and then go up. So this is my short trigger, short plan I show you. The long plan would be the good plan will be place limits here. Stop should be here somewhere below MSB point. And what should I expect here? Price should came here, quickly sweep the OB, order block here, and then close above this level. I want this level to be closed above. The price should closed above this level. Like if I am watching H4 here, 4 hour candle. Okay, yes. So if I'm watching 4 hour candle, suppose, so what I want here? I placed bids here, price came here and closed that candle above here, like that. In this zone, I want a wick. Body should be closed above. Then it means we are going. It will consolidate a bit. It might retest here again, and then it will go up. So if this kind of situation occurred here, then I will wait and I will trigger my plan on it. Like a price came here, quickly bought up here, then I will look for long in this zone to target this supply at least. If this supply already tagged, then I will target the above levels. So these are my two plans here on Bitcoin short plan. I already shared this one. So it might reject straight, it might reject from here in this SR level. Right now it is acting as resistance here. It might reject from here, but who knows? It's crypto pump then dump. The maybe they slow out the market for the weekend because we are heading into weekend. So market might be a slow and choppy and sideways. So don't worry about it. On a higher time frame, like on USDT dominance, I showed you the above liquidities. If that chart played out, then these levels, these zones will be the interested zones because price will come down. This level will be tested like 59,000 and this whole zone will be tested. For now, what is price doing? Price, we want bulls to hold here because that is higher low zone. So bulls should hold here. It's a area to step in like the way they stepped in here, but the way they goes up, it seems like someone was selling. Price goes up, red goes up a bit, then sold out again. So slowly, now they are. Seems like someone is selling their bags here because it's not normal. If price was used to go up, then it should have gone like this. Healthy candles. These are not healthy candles. You see that one, like if I mark this level here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 candles of H 12 hour. It took like 12 candles of H12. It means 6 days. It took 6 days to go up here like 11%. And how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 H4. It took 2 days to retrace all this. So it doesn't show any kind of strength. So USDT dominance is also on support. And Bitcoin is also struggling at key levels like previous all-time high. We have range highs, so lower time frame and intraday scalps. I show you higher time frame. I will if price started to coming down, so I am mentally prepared and I will wait for here. Might be in these zones. So accordingly, I will act accordingly. What price is showing me and where it want to go. So yes, 3-day demand created here. There might be a chance that we came out here, might test these levels. Mid range is also here. We didn't test it. So it's crypto. You have to be mentally prepared for these kind of situations. Plus, expect the unexpected from crypto because it's too volatile. 30-40% drop on a certain coin is not that much for crypto. Okay, now I will check one more thing which is very important. ETH BTC chart. I didn't check. To be honest, in a while, like from last 1 week, I didn't check this shitty chart here. So I'm going with from 3 month and weekly, and then I will come back towards. Okay, it's 3 month chart here. Uh, It's important for alts and Ethereum actually. That's why I'm watching it. This is not a valid trend line. I am just drawing it because I want to draw it, but it's not a valid. Let me mark this 3 month demand here. And this level, this is internal liquidity, or we as SSL here, or we might consider this as a range low, and this might be our range high. So I will mark this as a proper range. Let me mark it here and this one. So that's a 3 month chart here. No, sorry, I should check monthly now. Weekly, no, monthly. So monthly chart. Okay, monthly. Now the things are interesting and things are interesting now. I see a plan on it right now. We have a daily demand here, monthly, sorry, demand here, and we have compression going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monthly candles. This is a, what should I say? Accumulation. Might be a manipulation somewhere here. A small manipulation. Who knows? Small manipulation and then go up. Then might be a good chance to go up. Okay, remove it. So on monthly chart, it will take time. It will take too much time. Maybe few months, 4, 5 months to play out this chart. But this seems very logical here. This chart seems very logical here to me. Anyways, come to weekly. Now if you see that we have this demand, structure shifted, plus we have this SR zone as well here. So let me check an OTE here of this impulse. I'm checking of this impulse move here. Where is the OTE? So it's already tested 0.62. It it already tested 0.62 level and it gives a good bounce here on weekly chart. So there might be chance that we might test these level, but it's too early to predict. too early to predict actually. So now I will come back to this is a higher time frame plan which I showed you. Right now it is bleeding 3-day chart. We came back to 3-day. These lows swept, again swept. Structure shifted here. And when we see, this is our order block here. And it confirmed this move confirmed order block. This is the our order block. So according to this structure, the target is this one. This is the target. So we might see another tap here. We might see and then go up. So it means we are lagging a bit. Another daily demand created here, some here as well. So let me dive a bit more into it. Okay, so this 3D demand, keep eye on this 3D demand. We are almost here. We are almost here. So in next few weeks, we might sweep here and then go up. So it means Ethereum is lagging a bit. So now, according to this structure, I will make my plan on Ethereum. This is weekly SR level. Now, this is one tap, what we say it, what we call it, a deviation, and then retest is pending. So why I was watching this, let me show you now. Actually, I am looking at Ethereum long. So that's why I watched BTC and BTC Ethereum chart. Sorry, Ethereum and BTC chart. So this is weekly SR level here, 3-day chart. Anything on 3-day that is below. That is below. Daily. SSL is here. Right now it is holding. Why it is holding? Let me show you lower time frame because our time frame is not that much clear. Higher high is created here. So these level acted today. I shared this trade as well. This was on H4 here. I risked too much on it, so I get out from it. On H4, if you see that we have liquidities building up here, so we took these liquidity out. Order block was created. Fair value gap, structure wise higher highs. So we sweep these lows like something like this. We swept. We goes up again. We are sweeping here. So hopefully, and we close above here now. So we might see a push up, but Bitcoin is choppy and look at this chop here. So I will be a bit cautious here. I took a scalp in this zone already, like 3% scalp. I risked like 3.5% on my portfolio. So 1 hour I took off from it. I shared this trade on Ethereum Twitter as well. So I cashed out my first mm, trade on it. So from now it is showing strength, small strength, but what should I say? Lower time frame, if you see that lower lows are creating a spicy, this is called a spicy fair value, what we say, supply created here. This is a spicy one. If price suddenly came up here, that will be a gigantic wick up into here. This so lower time frame, low swept already, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is MSB point here. That not confirmed, not a good structure here. Yes, anyone that agent, this should be a long. and that should be a target. Not a good aura here though. But Ethereum, I'm watching it. If a small dip or some kind of range created here, this is the range already create in creation. So we lower time frame range creation is here. So we might see a big up here and then come down towards these lows. So I'm not expecting it much from Ethereum yet because ETH BTC is not on support. Another one, yeah, Zen important. This is my plan on Zen. Let me show you what I'm actually watching on it. A range created here. We came, retested deviation, then broke down, retested. Now we again came, we broke out, which confirmed deviation here. So what I'm trying to capitalize on it is this one, this level. I have placed bids here and in this zone. So came back, give me these tips, quick dip. I think my stop loss is somewhere uh, here. My stop loss is here. So that would be manual daily close. If daily close is below my level, then I will accept my loss. Otherwise, I will hold it. And these are the my targets like 22, Zen and RMRK. It's still in it, still in it. It's on entry. Mm, expecting to tap these levels. Might be to tap these levels. So this is Qcoin. I'm holding this trade as well. So it is going up, then came down, go up. So slowly it is going up. So yes, still upon my entry is 2.9, around 2.9, and if it comes into these level, I will see a bit more. And the invalidation for this is weekly closes below. If my lab below my stop, I will cut out, and I am targeting above levels. I will keep eye on 1 minute. I will check INJ BTC because from many days I am following this motherfucker coin. Yes, okay. Still demand is below on INJ BTC. So once it came towards these levels, then I will bet on INJ with TT until unless I'm not interested in INJ right now. Yes, it did a beautiful push from 12-hour OB. Yesterday night I thought I should place some bids here because invalidation was so clear here though. This one, but I didn't. So it is going up very nicely. Neither I shared this trade, neither I took my stop losses, so 10% up. So yes, now I will see a plan if it reclaimed the previous range highs and then go up. So keeping eye on it. If it came down here in this zone again, I will keep check on it once more. So ING is my in my list. FET did very bad to me actually. Higher time frame, I am watching this zone like 1.92. If it gives 2.5 zone. So yes, I will be very happy with FET. I will buy it. But lower time frame, my plan was this, and it is playing because it front run me. Equal lows were creating here. I placed my bids in on the order block here. Look at this order block. It missed by inch and it is going right now upside. So structure wise, it's equal lows gone. So if you see the structure wise, its structure shifted here and order block created here. So if someone wants to bet on it, this is the plan here. That will be hard stop loss, no stop loss, soft stop loss in this game. And the target will be these highs. So you can be see here to average out entry, but this is what I'm right now I see here from FET. So it didn't said it doesn't give me an entry, but I am keeping eye on it. Then done. AI today I took a scalp on it as well. I okay, it is going good. It is going good by the way. I closed very early. I closed very early because these are the higher time frame supplies created here. So it will take time. It will came down again. Actually, that was a good, that was, if you see this, if you have a if you want a high probability setups, these are the high probability setups. We have BOS because higher highs are already in creation. Mm, where is our order block now? Before BOS, the first red candle is our order block. So this was the order block. Above order block, if you see this, there is a fair value gap, good fair value gap. I will mark this fair value gap here. So this was the fair value gap here. And if you checked out OTE, optimal trading area, yeah, and so it just tapped this and it reacted very much. I didn't expected it the way like I took 7% from it. My stop was here, somewhere here. So I took 0.5 R. Basically, my entry was at the mid of equilibrium, like here. My entry was somewhere here. That was a sniper entry. So I took a sniper entry in it and I closed it a bit early. Now market seems to be good, but 10% up, still up. But this structure is still valid. If price came down in this zone again and it created good bullish structure, I will bet on it because yesterday uh, Tesla acquired some kind of AI company, and in a few days there is a meeting regarding AI shit. So I'm expecting AI coins to go up. That's why I have INJ, AI plus another one. What? Which one was this? INJ, sorry, FET, AI. These three, and the fourth one is Render. Render I didn't check from like Render. I didn't check. Okay, I have already. If I have a plan, that's mean I have bids on it as well. So I have higher time frame bids here. I don't know they will fill or not, but who knows? This is crypto, man. This is crypto. H4 order block tested and it is again taking support here. Lower time frame supplies. Okay. Lower low, lower high, lower low, sweeps, high, low sweep, structure shifted, order block created, a big order block. It is going up. Nice one, nice, nice, nice. I didn't check in a while this shit. BOS created here. BOS and here it was an order block. Stop loss should be here. Target this one. So this is going to be playing out. Okay, nice. So render higher time frame still higher time frame still intact. I have limits here. So you never know a big gigantic wick came out and a quick round of applause after here. So yes, R&D, I'm looking at lower time frames here. Overall, I have shared my whole. This is my list right now. I'm not okay. Bitcoin. Hello, hello, Bitcoin. 3 hour. Okay, it's a 3 hour supply here. Okay, now time to check out whether if it holds here. H1, H1 here, and this one, this one. So yes, let's see. 71, 300, 520, and this one we first TP here, first one, this one, and the rest TP will be here. No, sorry, this one will be final TP here, and 200 EMA. I will check. Very nice breakout though. Very nice from H2. Oh, I didn't check. This shit is also here. So hopefully this structure didn't play out here. It came like here. It come down and take support here. Then we are going towards upside. So for shorting, I will not recommend shorting here. It is rejecting here from OTE zone already, but a good strength here. Very nice strength. So you never know. There is 1 minute Monday high, Monday low. Okay, we were at Monday low. And okay, I am checking like what the fuck is going on. So better will be to stay here, but we have 1 minute and there is a 1 hour. We have another 1 hour of H4 closing. So I will check H4 closes. It might be a wick here. It might be a wick here, a big wick here. So if this is a big wick here, it means we are going a bit down then. So if it holds here, that's will be a good and healthy and we are continuing towards upside as I explained earlier. So ending stream here. Let me concentrate on my own trades and check whether to close, whether to take in, take my step in. So yes, thank you for tuning till end. If you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe it and like the video if you like. Thank you.